so we're just going to do an Armada 23. So we pick 17 through 24 Prox and hit that. And then we see that is menu index 899. We'll go ahead and connect. Okay, hazards on. Missions off. Okay, there's our BCM number. Okay, let's go to program keys. You see read BCM over there, you don't need that. Just go to program keys, check. Okay. Alright, ensure all doors are closed. 4 keys are the max. Okay, don't have a key to press right now, so that's okay. Just hit OK. Alright, all keys will be deleted, yes. Okay, do I want to use the old? No, that would be that would be an older car, so we're going to use the new, so we're going to say no. Okay, use the new PIN code, yes. Okay, so she's basically right into learning mode on this one. You press and release the start button, and the light should start blinking, and then you hold up the key, it moves to on, and you get the 5 blinks. Okay, and then you hit OK on the Smart Pro. If I want to do another one, that would be no, so I hit no. Okay, press and release stop buttons. They should turn off. Okay, all right, hit the OK button on that here. Now press and release stop button. The indicator and the start button start blinking. So we do that again. It's basically the same thing, and then we hit it, it goes to on. This time the light stays out, and you hold it up for a second, and you turn the ignition off. When you do that, hit OK on the Smart Pro. Open and close the driver's door. Okay, and you hit unlock on a programmed key. Okay, and now when I go to start it, I just Prox in hand and vroom vroom. So there you go, that's the 23 Armada.